Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to test for independence of sample using parametric test, and I'm going to use Unpaired-Ttest to show you the independence between two given samples. I'll take in a data set, NT cars. It's built-in data sets available on R. So let's see how it looks like. So we have got this data set and the several columns. It's a data set about automobile. So we have got mileage, we've got other variables. But what we're interested in is um, whether mileage differs across two categories of automobiles. One is automatic, the other one is manual. So we have two categories and we like to know if they're different. Now here we will like to use the Unpaired-Ttest because the two types of automobiles, whether it's automatic or the manual, are from different population, right? They're not the same population repeatedly sampled, right? So therefore we will use Unpaired-Test. If they were the same subject, but the sample has been collected twice in two different time periods, then we would have used a paired test. But here the subject is different, right? They're two different categories. So that's very important to know here. Right, so we'll try to, so just what we just saw, like to see the mileage with respect to the, so aim is having two values, 1 and 0, 1 for automatic, 0 for being manual, right? Or is the opposite, 0 for being automatic and 1 for the manual, right? So there are two types of these automobiles, and we like to know if the mileage differs. Okay, so we are filtered out. So for automatic and mileage, and in R, what we have is T.test. And if you don't specify anything, it will automatically give you the Unpaired-Ttest. And the parameters to this function, test function, is the two data frames, automatic and manual, right? So we have categorized the data into two types, automatic, where it's coming from where this particular variable taking a value of 0, manual when it's taking a value of 1. That's basically filtering. So let's run this script, and what we get here is that we get t-testing, we get degree of freedom, p-value, right? And it also helps you to sort of interpret the p-values. You see the p-value is less than 0.05. As you know, if the p-value is less than 0.05, then you reject the null hypothesis. Okay, and the null hypothesis here is that the difference in the mean of these two samples is equal to 0, and the alternative hypothesis is the difference in mean is not equal to 0. And here we see that the p-value is less than 0.05, so null hypothesis is rejected. We accept alternative hypothesis, and here you also see in the results, right? Two difference truth in means is not equal to 0. All right, so that's about it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you the paired-Ttest and how we interpret the paired-Ttest, how is it different from Unpaired-Ttest. Thanks.